Most people think they have a focus problem, but the truth is, your brain isn't broken, it's hijacked. Hijacked by a world designed to keep you distracted. Every scroll, every notification, every buzz on your phone is training your brain to crave constant stimulation. So you sit down to work, but within seconds, you're checking your phone, switching tabs, or zoning out. It's not that you're lazy, it's that your mind is addicted to dopamine, not deep work. And here's the hard truth, you don't need more motivation. You need less friction. Focus isn't forced, it's allowed. It happens when you remove what pulls your attention away. The problem? You're not weak, you're just outnumbered. By apps. By alerts. By algorithms. But here's how you fix it, instantly. Step 1, put your phone in another room. Yes, physically away. Step 2, set a timer for just 10 minutes. You don't need to conquer the whole day, just the next 10 minutes. Step 3, eliminate everything unnecessary, tabs, music, notifications, and then tell yourself, we're just starting. Because once you start, momentum builds, and once you build momentum, clarity returns. So if you've been feeling distracted, tired, unmotivated, don't blame yourself. Blame your environment, then fix it. Your brain already knows how to focus. You just need to give it the silence to do it.